Come to this side. Come.
Nothing beats a jet to holidays.
She cool. I mean, she shaped like 4.
She's in a mesh thing and a crux. Everybody come out here, look on the lineup. Everybody come out here looking like someone.
So I'm not looking like someone, that's what you want to say?
You do.
Why you pop your balloon, by the way?
Oh, I like her and everything, but her toe throw me off. I like toe, me into toes, and that throw me off.
Okay.
For more sprinkle look at Hershey's, and I can't go do that.
No, I don't.
That
You
throw
like
me
to
off.
suck toes?
That throw me off.
You like suck toes?
Huh?
You like to suck toes?
Next question.
No, you say you want to Hershey's on my toes. So that
Yeah,
means you're
yeah,
into them.
and then,
Okay.
yeah, next question.
You drive?
Not at the moment, but I'm looking to do this so in the near future.
Pop 2 nail balloon, yeah.
Okay.
The car thing, the driving, I feel like that's just vanity. That no have nothing to do with this. You see, when you meet me first time, you must have to be driving in a car and.
Main reason why I asked is because I work late. I work like after hours and stuff.
Yeah.
So if I feel like I have a guy, you should supposed to, have them type of resources there.
Yeah.
If I'm going to do it on my own, I better stay single.
It's a banger! Banana chip! Yo! I didn't expect the balloon and find love. Kingston, you ready? Kingston, you ready? Yo, I've been missing for 2 weeks. I know. Your Sunday dinner, you not eat it, and you not get a video on a Sunday. My ear, I understand. I'm sorry. Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth throw me off like Aki water. I don't know what to them, but them say them not move on a Sunday. So if we reschedule the video on a Saturday. You see it? Stress out. The man them, when a girl walk out and you don't like her, what you do? When a girl walk out and you don't like her, what you do? Simple as that. If you like her, what you do? What you like her, what you do? And that's simple, you see. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up my big bad sponsor, Balmoral Beauty Bar, okay? If you want to look fancy and dancy, and you don't want to do Balmoral Beauty Bar, okay? The mothers there them, and the thing them, you don't want the thing them, and you want to look your best, Balmoral Beauty Bar, is it? Chips, got it night, like all the time. Watch you now. The man them just look for it, is it? Please make sure to like the video. Give the video a like, please. Thank you. Yeah? Wanna ready? Ready. Alright, let's go. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Come to this side. Come to this side, mama. Right, sir. Hi.
Hi.
Introduce yourself. Use the mic.
Well, on Instagram, T Sexy, and what's TikTok, Good in Never.
All right.
One Good in Never too.
One goodie, never two.
Right. On TikTok.
What's your name?
Well, my name is Antoinette. I'm a caregiver.
You're a what?
Caregiver. I'm a nurse.
Okay. Oh, you're a nurse. And what's your type?
Well, to be honest, someone who believes in God. Hardworking, because I'm hardworking.
Yeah.
Take one look at me, you can see that. So yes, someone who believes in God, manageable, be honest. And the list goes on.
All right. So you're like a godly man.
Right.
All right. And what's like a red flag when it comes on to a relationship?
Well, I don't like a mean man because I will go all out for my man. So I don't like a mean man.
You don't like a mean man.
Yeah, because I'm a yammed. When I love him, I love you.
And what you call mean though?
Like, for instance, we're dating and we have to be going out on a date and I have to be
Pain.
paying all the bills. I don't say something is wrong with that, but at the end of the day, you have to do something, maybe a next time or so, but some man don't believe in that.
Mama know like a ideal first date for you, like a perfect first date for you.
Well,
But not here do you know. Yeah.
as must say, somebody just be truth.
Like no, the first date. Oh you would have like a first date for happen.
Well, all right. It could be a picnic. It could be on the beach, night out, whatever. This goes on.
Alright, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, alright? We're gonna start with the end first.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Shaquille, OG, on all platform, TikTok, YouTube. I'm a bit truthful. I pop because just not my time.
Okay, that's cool.
Alright.
Understandable. Because I have a type too, so
Don't know me.
no.
Oh, you're like say you're not her type. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, everybody have them type.
But she never said that. She never said you're not her type.
No, I know me.
Or you don't know if I know you.
I know. Friend not
Girlie,
my
move
type.
on, please.
I know my type.
Girlie, can you please move on?
No, but him a jump to alright, man. Alright,
Just move on.
alright. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Alright, Moda Gear. In all honesty, Moda Gear are 6. I'm going to tell you why Moda Gear are 6. Because despite her outfit, by listening to her, she actually has some good thoughts, you know. She might say she's a good person, but me not no proof to say yeah, she's a good person. But she sounds like a good person based on how she talks. So me give her a 6 just because she sounds like a good person.
Alright. So 6 because she sound on her appearance, right?
No, based on how she sounds as a good person. Appearance.
May I say something?
Sure.
You're being judgmental.
Well, I'll get judged one day.
Nah, I'm okay with that. You're
And
not
it's
going to
not
be
being
everybody.
judgmental no, because I
Can you
said
please move on? He judged me already, and I
no.
my time to judge him.
No, him just did I say based on the appearance.
Okay.
I'm not judging. I'm just a say. You know.
Okay,
Like,
and
she's in a mesh thing and a crux. Everybody come out here look on the lineup. Everybody come out here looking like someone.
So I'm not looking like someone. That's what you want to say?
You do.
I could be dressed in a clocks many different ways, but that's what I choose tonight.
Really.
what you think about him? Based on his
Well-
appearance and what him say?
I'll give him
Two
a 1 for the clocks.
and 2.
Can you please be silent?
Please.
For the mindset, I'll give him a 3, so that will be what, 4?
Yeah.
The clocks and the mindset, that will be 4.
Also 4 overall.
Right.
Is he a type though?
No, not really.
And why? Why is not your type?
Well, presentation is not my type.
Alright then. Good?
No govern.
Alright, let's go. Right here. Your name, why you pop your balloon on social?
Dandada. I pop it because I know my type is it. Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Oh, Dandada music.
And based on her appearance, what you think about her?
I know my type, you know, I like me want them, you know, cock up, look a bit of breast. You know his type. I just know
That's
my
understandable.
immediate off the bat, you know, I know my type.
Okay, that's understandable. Hello, that. Get where you're coming from?
What you think about him based on his appearance and what him say?
Well, for the shoes, I will give him a 2. For the mindset, I will give him a 4. So that's what?
6.
6. Yeah, you got it right.
How much me gear? Honestly, because me that man, me not cheat. Jamaican man don't cheat. I give you 0 because you see once you're not my type, I can't regard you. That's not a disrespect. Every woman look good, you're just not my type, so 0, honestly.
Okay, understandable.
Alright, good.
Right, and you're not my type either, so that's very understandable.
Alright, come to this side. Alright, so. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Social, a dirty boy Lee, all platforms. I pop my balloon because she said she don't like mean man.
And you.
Yeah, you met
I'm a
so.
mean,
Me not
yeah.
like me, man.
Mean bad.
Oh, you mean bad?
Bad. Me can't see it.
Oh, you can see say mean?
Right, that's so.
Yeah.
Where you judge and know if they mean?
In presentation,
Like him look mean?
yeah, very mean.
True.
Alright. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
How much kids you have?
I have 3 kids. My first son is 14. My second is 11. My baby girl, November, she will too.
3 kids. Yeah, we get our 3.
3.
Yeah.
Each.
Understandable.
Yeah.
Okay, my time to judge him
What do you
now?
think about him based on his appearance? How much did I rate him?
Well, I give him a 1 for the night, and that's it. Yeah.
1
Yeah, that's a 1 for the night.
for the Nike.
Yeah.
Good.
I like it.
Yeah.
He's
Me
so
number
cool.
1, so yeah.
He look cool.
Come down to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
That are too cool against across all platforms. Alright, the reason why I pop my balloon is well, I care for compete my care. You get me? I say, you see me? Me the man me be the man in the relationship. You see me? She had the woman. You get me? I say, so if me and her care can compete. So when I try to say no, mama del night gym like how can you call del night?
Yeah, I'm love
Like
the
how can
gym,
you call?
baby.
Would I do in the darkness? She do in the
Understandable.
gym. You get me? I say so. Yeah.
But a real man will know say more you go gym or the more your body fit. So
Yeah, but you know,
you're not just my type and that's it. And I'm not your type.
understandable.
So understandable.
And based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
2. Reason for the 2 is because our personality. You see me? Like what she talk
Understandable.
about. If anybody for the personality should I get a 0.
What do you think about him?
Just not my type really. I can't even judge.
But what him said though, like him said based on you look physical,
Well-
like you go to the gym?
I do. I love my gym. Since my baby girl, as I say, she know where my shoe with too. So that's the only reason why I'm not in the gym right
You
now.
love the gym?
but I love the gym bad, baby.
Yeah.
That keep everything
It
going
shows.
for me.
It shows.
But you're just not my type, and I think that's
That's
understandable. I'm not
understandable.
your type. You're not my type. So
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
to be honest, really, when you're not with somebody, you can't like your mindset is not there. So it is not there right now. So
Yes.
no disrespectful, but you're cool.
Yes, but how much you rate
I
me?
can't rate you, baby. Honestly, I can't.
Oh, you can't rate him.
I can't rate him. But he's cool.
Okay, it's cool.
Alright. Come to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, Daniel Popshot Gooden. Social name, social media Popshot, all platform. Yeah, big up Kai B is Julie's way. My apparel, I'm Julie. Keisha, top image. Shirt, I'm shoes. Oh, and Fresh Beats. Big them up too. With that shirt, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, the reason why I'm popping balloon is you mentioned saying I want a mean man.
Right.
Normally, when a woman don't want a mean man, this woman used to being spoiled by a
No,
man who
baby.
rich already. And
Can I adjust that?
sometimes they might look for something from their man.
No, baby. I've been a hardworking girl.
Alright,
Up
me
to
tap a
soon.
balloon until you say, you know,
You
want a
get it
mean man.
wrong.
'cause
That's what you do. You
like
get
where
it
I
wrong.
say, you have a good mindset.
You get
but-
it wrong.
Oh, so
Alright, explain how am I wrong? Where do I?
Really, can I move on, please?
No,
I don't want to
him-
waste no time.
he might ask you a question like why you think him wrong.
Because you feel like I love handout, and that's not me. So, can we cut it here, early,
Okay.
please?
Understand.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Based on her appearance, could I give her, well, I'm not really a judgmental youth, still I'm going to discriminate. But based on her appearance, I'm not too bash her. She have a good mindset and she reason and she hold vibes. A good female. So I give her, at the vibes, I give her a 6.5.
Okay.
You see me?
6.5.
Yeah, understandable.
Wait.
Maids that she have mature, is it?
Okay.
Attractive.
Very understandable.
What do you think about him?
I'll give him a 6.
6.
Yeah.
Yeah?
For sure.
You cool.
Alright. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Tyrogen and social have 4EL underscore Tyrogen. And the reason why I'm popping balloon, she just not my type. You know what I mean? I just can't see me and her together, really. You know what I mean?
Why?
She's just not my type, really.
No, yes, no, true, you say you know see you and her together.
Just not my type, man. You know what I mean?
Okay. And based on her appearance, what you think about her?
She cool. She cool, she humble. You know what I mean? But just nah, not me.
Alright, alright.
My time.
What you think about him? So all you want him rush film talking, but you ready? Me not understand. Are you sure?
Really, please.
Okay.
We just don't want to waste the time.
Alright, so based on him appearance, what you think about him?
As what I'm saying, he's just not my type either, really. And that's it.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I can't rate him because he's just not my type.
You can't rate him.
Honestly, just like I can't rate him because he's just not my type.
Oh, person who are not your type, you can't rate
I
them.
can't rate him. Like honestly, I have to be true to myself. So
But alright, so if you see him out like if him approach you outside, like do you think
I would be just gazing on other stuff.
gazing?
Meaning you will be focused on other stuff.
Oh, so
not him.
if him right front of you though,
No
talking.
matter. As I said, I will be just gazing on other
Leave it
stuff.
alone. Leave it
I
alone.
told you, just
Leave
move
it
on.
alone,
You're
sir.
wasting
Just
time,
find
right?
I just find me a find out. Alright.
Okay.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Casimir, unknown king pan IG.
Why you pop your balloon?
I just under my types. Yeah.
And what's your type?
My type, I like them slim thick.
She not slim
Just slim but
and she not thick.
thickness in it.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
About a 5.
5 out of 10.
5. Yeah.
What do you think about him based on him appearance and what him have to say?
Well, I'll give him a cheer, really. For its efforts. Yeah.
Alright.
Seems like a cool guy, but he's just not my type. So, as I said, I can't give a guy a ratings when he's just not my type.
You just
I'm
give him a
gonna be dis-
rating though. You
Yeah,
said
but
3.
he can go on
3.
in a way. Yeah, 3.
And why you give him a 3 though? Because he's not your type?
Look clean. Sneakers look fit, nice. Don't look like if you take it off, they're gonna look cheesy, smell cheesy, but yeah. Can go on himself. That's it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. This side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, man, 1 Kwenga, man, 129, man, and on the social media platform, you can look out for Lion King, you see me? On the TikTok and Instagram, King _1_ legend. And yeah.
Why you pop your balloon?
Well, really, basically, that book didn't attract my reading or didn't get my
Understandable.
attention, you see?
Understandable.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right,
please.
that's all.
Yeah.
And you refer to her as a book?
That's
Well,
very good.
If I say you want to put it in a roll,
But he's just
alright, that's it, them one.
he just said that I want
You know?
book, so
She's not attractive to me,
okay,
you
really,
know?
please not
So,
to waste time.
yeah.
And based on her appearance, how much should I rate her? From 1 to 10?
Well, you know, I'm a woman, so we're not going to hesitate there no way, but yeah, man, she deserve a 1, you see it, but I'm not that one, you know? Yeah, she deserve a 1, but I'm not the one. Right, that's one.
Yeah, artist.
No, I'm a father, but one day.
My time not roll.
You ready?
We're in a long
Based
time.
on his appearance and what him have to say, what you think
Just
about
not
him?
my type. I will be gazing.
Or want to see him?
I will be gazing.
So right now you're,
Gazing. Move on to the next.
but based on his appearance, what you think about how much should I rate him?
Nothing. Really, I swear to Christ. I'm my grandmother grave. Right this one.
Nothing.
Nothing.
You know, we are the devil himself. Thank you.
Upset the
Alright.
one still, baby. You go on yourself.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
One cut the line, you know, I could. You know, I just know my type of woman, you know, but Her vibes mad. Yeah.
You rate her vibes?
Yeah. She out the door, I would have mad vibes with the killer them. Her vibes mad. It's that.
Alright, so based on her vibes though, like you feel like she'd have a chance with you then?
No, as me say, I don't know my type, but the rule there as a killer, you know, it could.
But her vibes, like you don't feel like said that could have.
And because I know my type, so it's not very easy. But she vibes mad. Yeah,
And how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like, yeah, 10 V vibes.
Based on her appearance?
Yeah. I'm active, man. I'm active, man. She got a gym and she keep it slim. You know, I'm active. Yeah.
She got a gym and she keep it?
Yeah, she keep it slim. Alright.
Alright. What do you think about him and based on what him say?
I'll give him a 9 really because me can't say him shoes white and clean like my crooks. And him guns the same way clean. Him pants clean. I give him a 9. He look clean. I'm like a clean man, so you get that? Clap that. Yeah.
Oh, you want back a balloon?
Charlie, please. You're wasting time.
Huh? My G.
Really?
Really, please. Don't.
No, like, you know,
Really,
you were
Don't
saying.
do that.
Hold on. Yeah, basic.
We're good, man.
Alright then. Alright, cool? You good?
Yeah, I'm active, man.
Alright then. Alright, so the man them without a balloon. Orchid Grace for me, please. This side, Muji. Bless G.
Bless up, my Dan.
Alright, first, before we start, like, your name?
Invasion, man. Them gyal are wicked boss, man. The artist, man. You see me? You know, they are represent, man. You see it?
Alright, your social?
Invasion official, everywhere. Every digital platform. YouTube, Invasion. Yeah, Invasion official, social. Everywhere else, Invasion, YouTube and all of these things. You see me? Mm-hmm.
Oh, you sing the song with?
Shani Muirman, Safari, the single alone, only part of the song back of that. Just drop something to it in 6:30 near Magical. We just put in the work, you see it?
Alright then. Alright, so you never popped the balloon before? More ask you like, why you keep your balloon?
You know, say, I not follow the girl that digs to it, but she have a little smile. You see, she walk forward rolling, between me and you, my dog, she have a little smile where, and she favor, she favor cartel be a mother in a shorty, you know. Yeah. I like her style in her look how we still. But just one thing, but we're gonna get there.
Okay. Alright, so we're not gonna get a chance for ask each other a question, so it's on to you right now to ask him to get to know him. Alright, you ready?
Okay.
Alright, let's go. What's the question for him?
What's your deal breaker in a relationship?
My deal breaker.
Yeah, what's your deal breaker in a relationship?
Never give a man at work your number and tell me that he's your friend.
Okay.
Can't go sleep, none at all.
You?
Yeah, I can't go sleep when you tell me that.
Alright. Any more question for him?
Any kids?
No, I'm not get none yet. Do man them eat them. I don't know why.
I understand. What about where you see yourself next 3 years from now?
Will I see myself next 3 years from now?
Yeah.
Life unsure. So for now, I'm just living. Every day I wake up, I just give thanks. So I'm not going to tell you that when I see myself 3 years from now, to be honest. But I have ambition, I'm ambitious youth, so they are work, as I tell you really previously, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, quote.
All right.
Ask one more question.
Hold on one there. Yeah. Back to you, my G. So you're gonna get a chance to ask her a question for C if it's a chemistry, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, ready.
Jesus Christ, there's so much question. She's so beautiful. But me hear mention something earlier. Yeah, but I roll in the body, I look for me. But here was still.
Me and say like first date, beach, or something, or something like that. For real?
Yeah, we just have our alone time, like
On the beach.
yeah, nights out on the beach, or we just go have dinner. Or
What are you gonna wear though?
What do you like me to wear?
You wear the bath suit, something still them I go brand me. Really? We have to go after January start. The bath suit business I go stay away.
What you mean?
Me I say we can't afford it.
What you mean?
Me I say me not able.
No, you ask her what she go wear. Come on the beach and what?
The bath suit, something. Me I tell you. You see if she them a brand me na dog. I mean a youth a real mafia.
So you don't want she wear a bathsuit on the beach?
No.
So she for wear?
If I that me I forgot juke that up here. What else you can wear on the beach? Because first thing me I'm banning from the water, you know. No violation. But really, come on man.
No, me not understand. You got ban her from the water on the beach, you know go on the first date. I don't understand.
Beach salt, me salt. It's last year I do.
The beach salt. Yo, me not get it. You get it? You understand?
No, that's all really.
You should see so no ropes dog and we there go and hold all the vibes and I go and normal out. And she chew and bad suit and stays and walk past and me and her aspire. And some people say, artist. But my rate are still, you know. But I just that beach something there. You kinda get my para, you see it?
But you not just say you like girl with want go beach and them thing there.
Yeah, but no, I start to have a second car. Me and see her closer now. You know what I mean? She cool still in the dark, as I tell you, her personality and everything like that. Everything good, but as I say, I'm not able. I don't know if you are able, but I'm not able that.
Alright then. You understand what you mean though?
Yeah.
Not really.
Bro, me not even, bro, let's go on then, right? Can you yourself not even understand then?
No, me understand. But some people faster than some.
Are you looking for the best salon in Kingston? Balmoral Beauty Bar. Them sponsor this entire video. So every female I gonna get them money, penny, or bust down Tatiana. You see it? This is for you. You can do your nails, your eyelash, anything. Walk with grace. Alright. This is for you. You can do your no, you're good. Walk with grace. You don't need surgery. And this is for you. You can put in any lace wig. Go to Balmoral Beauty Bar. You know where they're located? Not on Balmoral, okay? All right. Walk with grace. Balmoral Beauty Bar. Trust me. If you want to look good, there's your place to be. Chips.
Last year I do.
The beach. Yo, me not get it. You get it? You understand?
No, that's all really.
You should see so no ropes dog and we there go and hold all the vibes and I go and normal out. And she chew and bad suit and stays and walk past and me and her aspire. And some people say, artist. But my rate are still, you know. But I just that beach something there. You kinda get my para, you see it?
But you not just say you like girl with want go beach and them thing there.
Yeah, but no, I start to have a second car. Me and see her closer now. You know what I mean? She cool still in the dark, as I tell you, her personality and everything like that. Everything good, but as I say, I'm not able. I don't know if you are able, but I'm not able that.
Alright then. You understand what you mean though?
Yeah, understand.
Not really.
Bro, me not even, bro, let's go on then, right? Can you yourself not even understand then?
No, me understand. But some people faster than some.
So me,
No, me not see
No, so me.
But when she go lay down in her bed tonight, she probably say, oh, that the dog, you never hear Carter sing a song and all 10 years after you pre-say or that the jazz say. Suppose me not want to be blatant for hurt her feeling. But you know what I mean, trust me.
Alright then. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
4. She cool, I mean, she shape like 4. She good, man. You wanna pause. You only behave no man.
Alright then. What do you think about him based on what him have to say and him appearance?
Well, his mindset can go on at certain time, but him show off. So I will say show off, I understand him point them so my timing, but him a 3.
3 out of 10?
That's it, right?
Oh, but you like him mindset, but yeah, it kind of confusing at the
So
make.
the mindset give him a 3, so that's it for me.
She likes everything. Trust me, it's just emotions running wild at the time. But it's cool.
Really?
Oh yeah, I say she like you.
Yeah, I just
Man, you
emotions
say
are
what
run
you
wild. But
say
it's
and
cool.
I
It's
say
cool.
what I say.
Yeah, and I'm saying it's cool. No hard feelings. You see me? Everything good.
It's cool, I don't have feelings.
And our
so.
jean shots it bad. Me can't go around that. You see me? Everything active.
Alright, cool. Alright, so it wasn't that much to the G, or I could grace for me, please. Yeah. I think it was a match a while ago. Like, I think like
Understand.
don't have a chemistry, you feel it too?
Not really, but
Alright, cool. Alright, so today you come out and you never get a match, you know what you have to do?
walk with grace, really.
Or I could grace for me, please. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, let me give you a hug. Thanks a lot, you see. You know what? Balmoral Beauty Bar. You see it? You know, say me I give you something from this, sir. Link me on my Instagram. Link me in on my Instagram right now. Me gonna send you a Balmoral Beauty Bar. You see it? Fix up yourself. No, nothing wrong with you. I just say it for your ear, you know your edge on them thing that your toe. Come on, I wanna spoil you, okay? Yeah, alright? That good? We're good. Remember we are friends and we are family, okay? Let's go. Alright, my G. You ready? Ready? Alright, let's go. Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
My name is Destiny. You can check me out on Instagram, that girl, Day, 2A, DAEEU, 3E, that underscore.
Okay, Destiny. And what type of job do you do?
I'm a beauty therapist, and I do hair on the side also.
Okay, alright. And when it comes on to a male though, what's your type though?
Tall. I don't really have a type, but I like tall guys.
Alright. And when it comes on to a first date, like what's your ideal first date?
Well, I like outings, so like anything outside, movies, a picnic.
Anything
Just
outside?
Yeah.
Or not inside?
No.
Okay, alright. And what's a red flag? Use the mic.
Red flag. Okay. Disrespectful. I don't like disrespectful guys.
Any more red flags?
No, just that for now.
That for now?
Yeah.
And like what's one of your toxic traits though?
I'm kind of a manipulator, so
You manipulate a lot.
yeah.
You sound like a pro that. Alright. Show us the social.
Oh, my social?
Yeah.
That girl, Day, DDAEE, that underscore. Yeah.
Alright, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the ballon, alright?
Sure.
Let's go. We'll start right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Come to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One cutty line anyway, code. She's a bit too chubby for me. I don't code. I like them well stick.
Oh, so our size?
Stick. Yeah, I like them stick.
Oh, you like a stick?
Yeah.
Why you say that?
No, I like stick. I not too like them fluffy.
Literally stick?
Stick. Yeah.
Alright, and when it comes on to her appearance, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She look good. But that's not my type. She look nice.
And yeah, say you would approach her outside because
she don't want stick.
what do you think about him? Based on his
Well, he's short. I'm not into short guys, so I guess that's why.
what do you think about his appearance? How much did I rate him from 1 to
He's
10?
cute. I like dark skins, so Yeah.
How much did I rate him?
Probably like a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, 5, because she look like she fling on the wig and come here. She look like she just die time. Like it's a pull on wig.
But it actually is because it was in a rush. So, yeah.
You know about them thing there?
My girl is.
Alright, good. Alright. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Casimir says she like to manipulate and I like take program. You know, deal with the program thing, you see it. Yeah.
Oh, she like for manipulate and you not like that?
Not like that. Not like him so.
You feel like you easily get manipulated?
No.
But you can know when somebody are trying to manipulate it though?
I don't think so, but okay.
But we not the partners.
Alright, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
I give her about a 8. So, yeah. Put herself together. So.
What you like about her?
Like the curve, short. I like her complexion too.
Alright.
And the nose piercing.
And her what?
The nose piercing.
Okay. But nose piercing.
Yeah.
Which one?
All of them.
Alright.
Alright. What do you think about him? Based on him
He's not
appearance?
my type. Short. I don't like short guys, so yeah. Not
Oh,
my
just because him short?
Yeah.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing else?
No.
Oh, alright then, cool. And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
A 5.
Why 5?
The shortness took off half of the points. But yeah. Other from that, you're cool. You're cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good? Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Tyrogen. And the reason why I'm popping balloon, she says she's a manipulator. And the first thing she says she not like tall guys, and me not tall. So, me can't go work with that manipulating thing. Yeah, me is a madman. Me head no good. Yeah, straight. She good still. She's a 10 for me. Straight, because she's my type.
Oh, she's a type?
Yeah, but she says she manipulate and I go jam myself out of that.
Oh, but she says you would even know when she do it though.
Yeah, I think again. I always have signs. Believe.
And you say outside from here, she's a type, for real?
Yes, for real. Type. Everything about her perfect for me.
What you like about her?
Everything. Her body, her little piercings, them, and she short, and nice pretty face, and she's smart. So, I'm my type, bro.
Alright. What do you think about what I'm to say?
It's fair, I guess. Oh, yeah.
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
A 4. Yeah.
Why 4?
It's just not my type. That's not my type.
He get a 4 because he's not your type?
Yeah.
So you go, Rolly. So you go.
Alright, good.
Yeah, man, I'm a good man. Solid.
Go down the line. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Again, that are too cool across all platforms.
Get some volume here.
Alright, again, that are too cool across all platforms. Reason pop balloon, she says she like tall guys. You see me? I'm not tall. So, you know the style guy already. I have to pop it.
But you're taller than her though.
Taller than her, yes, but she said meaning tall guys, she mean like above 6 foot.
You never asked me that.
But well, yes, a
You
tall.
can't just assume, but oh well.
Okay. So, okay, she reason pop balloon because she says she like tall guys. You see me? I'm not tall, so basically.
Alright, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
I give her 6. I give her 6.
6.
Yeah, the reason why I give her 6, well, not based on her appearance alone, but her complexion. Like I seen complexion, she have a nice complexion, like you see me. She could be like a good mother and him something. You see me? I say.
Based on her complexion, should be a good mother?
Not on her complexion. I mean like overall. I skip on complexion.
Oh, she look like a good mother.
Yeah, you get me? I say. Yeah. The glasses and them thing, she can teach too. And them thing, you see me? But if she's a teacher, I don't know. Could be possible. But yeah, she look like a good girl, so she deserve her. You know? She deserve that.
Alright. What do you think about what I'm to say and how much did I rate him?
Man, that's what I have to say. Yeah, man, agree. In appearance, he looks like I can dress.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Thank
like
you.
a complexion.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much did I rate him?
Like an 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Easy your type though?
No.
So she like,
dark
I would say
skin.
she like tall guys.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Alright. Let's go. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Shaquille. I pop because, alright, first, let me start with something good. She look good, very beautiful, shape intact, natural beauty. Yeah, gem, but she lost me when she said she not have a type and she like tall man. That mean any tall man can just sweep away from me. I'm not the tallest. If it was a case where she did have a type, like a specific type, then yeah, but I keep my balloon, but she not have a type. And I prefer to talk to someone who actually know them one. You have to know what you want.
Or she seems like she don't know where.
So she not have a type. That's definitely a red flag. You have to know what you want.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, she look nice.
What do you think about him and what him have to say?
Not necessarily saying I have a type, but I like what I like. In the moment. It's a vibe, your personality. So I like what I like. So.
Yeah, but when Rolly say what's your type, you should at least what you like. You say you not have a type.
So you have a type?
Yeah.
Okay.
I rather stand for something than fall for nothing.
Well, I don't have a type. We're not the same, so.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Probably like a 4.
So you go.
Yeah.
And why 4?
I'm not attracted to you.
So you go.
Yeah. It's an attraction. So.
Or from a look on him,
Yeah.
like. Oh, so now I'm
like if you approach me, mood entertaining.
But you that talk to him though?
No.
Yeah, I'm do. That's how you go.
Good?
Yeah.
Good?
Me go.
Alright, let's go. Alright. So the man them without a balloon, or I could grace from a place. Full of space from now. Alright, so it's up to you right now. We got some males with some balloons, so we're gonna find out if you have a chemistry with none of them. Alright?
Okay.
So you're gonna go down the line and ask of each of them a question and get to know them, alright?
Okay, sure.
Let's go. First, your name?
Yeah, man. Kwanga R129, is it?
What's his question?
What like what did I say? What's your job?
Alright, what I do for occupation is security, and on the side me have a farm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's it?
How old are you?
28. 28.
You're 28.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Alright. Your name?
Daniel Popshot Gooden.
His
What do you do
question?
for work?
I'm
Okay.
Popshot on all platform.
Oh.
Yeah. Question?
Mm-hmm. What do you do for work?
Oh, all right. I purify drinking water and sell it at a water store.
Okay.
So I work really hard. 10 hours a day. 6 days a week.
Okay. You drive?
Not at the moment, but I'm looking to do so in the
Okay.
near future. But I'm working hard towards it.
Okay.
Good.
You live alone?
Yes, I live alone. Definitely.
Okay.
Good on the line?
Mm-hmm.
Your name?
Dirty Boy Lee.
Who?
Dirty Boy Lee, on all platforms, yeah.
Okay. His question?
Your work. What do you do for work?
My hustle.
Okay, so you don't have a steady income?
No.
Okay. You drive?
Yeah.
What do you drive?
When I
If
drive,
you don't mind, if you don't mind me asking.
the markets outside.
That's it?
Yeah.
Your name?
Invasion. Invasion.
How old are you?
How old do I look?
How old do you look?
Mm,
You look 24.
I guess that's a compliment. I'm 27.
Oh, word.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You drive?
Mm-hmm. I drive.
Okay. You live
Women
alone?
crazy.
Hmm?
I drive women crazy.
No, I'm talking like vehicles.
I also drive
You have your own
vehicles.
car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any more question?
Oh.
She asked if I live alone. Yeah, I'm living alone at the
No,
moment.
that wasn't my question, but
Okay.
what's like your first date type of thing? Like you take out ladies or you just like
Yeah, of course. Especially if them beautiful and attractive like you. Dinner, anything. It all depends on the mood and the vibe.
okay.
To
Do
the
you
bushes,
spend?
anything like that.
Do you spoil your woman?
Yeah, of course.
What do you call spoil? Like take them shopping and stuff.
Spoil now for be like me I overdo the thing, you know.
What do you call
Spoil can be like surprises though.
it? Yeah.
Yeah, so now for being a big. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
People know say you like cheesecake and them little thing. No surprise you with it. I say
It's
take a
little
bite, my
things.
baby.
Little thing. Okay.
Tell her to take a bite, yeah.
Alright, good.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Your name?
Dandara.
What's his question?
Like advice. Let me
Yeah.
just say that. Do you drive?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do for work?
I also.
You're a hustler.
Yeah.
How old are you?
24.
Oh, you're 20. You don't look 24. You look
Older. I get it.
Okay. You have kids?
No.
Okay.
You have kids?
Yeah, I have a son.
That's great.
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, come on to this side. Alright, so what I'm gonna make you do right now, pop him a pick. Pop two nail balloon, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
let's go. Alright, so before, why you kept your balloon?
Yeah. Alright, she's just my type.
Okay.
That is a beautiful woman, seem beautiful and inside and out. Have a head on your body.
Mm-hmm.
And are you a clean? You consider yourself a clean girl?
Yes. As in what? What do you mean? Hygienic?
Like hygienic.
Yes.
Clean.
Mm-hmm.
It's just my type.
Okay.
I wanted to hear you out, so I kept my balloon.
Okay.
Alright.
Fair enough.
Although I hear a bit of red flags in here and there, but I'll get to that.
Why you pop his balloon?
I'm not physically attracted to you. I guess that's why.
That's
And
okay.
you're short.
For sure.
Yeah.
I am.
So I guess that's why.
No problem.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Physical, like in physique,
His feature is.
No problem.
and based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
It's calm. Like your outfit and stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Your outfit is calm, you know.
Right.
I'll give it like a 4.
4 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's fair.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about her?
Well, she look short and neat, put together. Don't know. She coulda dressed for the occasion, but I feel like she's coming from a gym, so I'm not really.
Work, actually. Yeah.
I'm not really be judgmental. I give her a 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
7?
7 out of 10.
Alright, cool. Go down the line. Before, why you kept your balloon?
She beautiful. And one time I hear she say, short man. I mean I pray for buy a Timberland in a dark so me can stay say, you know. Cause she have her energy. You see me? Yeah, she nice, she cool. You see me?
So that's why you keep your balloon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She cool, man.
Why you pop his balloon?
I guess it's like the steady income you don't have.
Yeah. You know that one
kinda
they kind of
like-
get you know.
Yeah, because I'm a very curious person.
Mhm.
I'm like deep and stuff.
You know what curiosity though? Curiosity kill the cat, boy ain't gonna kill you. Things just take a little time sometimes, but you guys just still. You know you know pop the
thank
balloon with the hard intention there.
Yeah.
But we go back half a roll show.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
11.
Word?
Watch what I go do my grime, you know.
Nah.
Based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
I'll give it like a 6.
Mm.
I like your energy. I feel like, you know?
May I come off on you?
Yeah. It's like,
course.
yeah. Which month are you born?
I'm a Sagittarius, November.
Okay.
You're Gemini?
No, I'm a Leo.
You're a Leo?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you.
The sign thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you. I always get them.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right, let's go down the line. All right, my G, before you did hold your balloon, why you kept it though?
Because she look good and everything, you see it, but me just did listen, you see it, just want to kind of understand where she come from, where she say, you see it. But
And what push her for pop the balloon?
I feel like the car thing, the driving, I feel like that's just vanity, that no have nothing to do with this, you see it? Yeah, man. So, because when you meet me first time, you know, you must have to be driving in a car and so on. Them the people understand a chance.
That's why I asked at first. No,
Oh,
listen,
I get
the
that
main
now.
reason why I asked is because I work late. I work like after hours and
Oh,
stuff.
yeah.
So if I feel like I have a guy, you should supposed to, you know, have them type of resources there.
Yeah.
If I'm going to do it on my own, I better stay single.
Oh, so a man affair.
No, it's not really like, but it's like we're in a relationship, so I feel like you're supposed to, you know,
help out in what
in a
is
way.
missing.
Yeah.
Yeah, me not get it. But me I say, big man thing, she look good and everything. But the car part, that's as you can believe that every youth deserve a chance. But your type still, you know.
Yeah, I like
And
that.
your view come with whatever you want. So kudos to you.
But that kind of show you off, you say.
Yeah, show me off. You see it, I'm standing for that.
And is she a type though?
I mean, keyboard.
Keyboard?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bigger than a type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're active, man.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, nobody could get. That is it.
What do you think about him?
Oh, he's cool. As I said, I like your voice.
Yeah, thank you.
So I feel like that really draw me to you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's good.
Is he a type though?
You look like a bleach.
Yeah.
You do. Yeah.
Yeah, bleach has another type.
Not necessarily, but
Good.
if it like shows and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, so is it a no? Is he a
Yeah,
type?
No.
Okay. How much
I
did
mean, I'd approach you. I'd approach you, but not my type.
Yeah, that's good.
If you're
Oh, you
bleach.
would approach him?
Yeah, I would.
That's good. What do you mean? She know what she do, you know? Oh, can't stand it.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give it like an 8.
Thank you. And I give you 10. Is it? Because I 2 away, so 2 upon I give you 10.
All right, good.
Mm-hmm.
Come on to the side. We heard that pop. All right. All right, so. Your name?
Yeah, man, I one Konga, man, and also known as 129. Is it? Right, listen.
All right, Kwenga. You kept the balloon. Want to find out why you kept it?
Alright, you know, so to be honest, she kind of catch my eye still, you know, I'm not gonna lie on my friend. And although my brother did tell me over this, I say, yo, pop one at a time when she said manipulating me, that one that shock. She does say, yo, she controlling in her type of way. Because we know a woman controlling, you know. Somebody don't want to get to that, but I'm gonna like her again when she say, yo, Leo, you know. She a Leo, call me a Leo too, but when she go say, yo, she just want a man to come pick her up. John, no, just for my car, so babes.
No, I did not say that.
Eh.
Yeah, I put it in the wrong form.
But I say make it look big, car right now, I'm not in a car, you know. A bicycle me out.
There are other options, alternatives. So it's
Well,
like
true.
in drive, you know.
Well,
have a-
yeah, that at least we could have the
There are
link
other
there.
alternatives, but I get you. It's like you just understand, and that's fine.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, B. You see me? Better I did say, oh, you want to try and man. Why me and you could
That's why I didn't pop your balloon.
Why
That's
me
the
and you
thing.
could save and buy a car together or something like that?
You still have missed the point, but okay.
Explain to him. Explain to
I
him.
did. I
Yo,
did though.
No,
That's fine.
You sure?
Positive.
Alright then, you're good then.
All right, so based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, although look like she was in a rush still, I'm not gonna cap, but I give her a 7.58, that's what you see it.
What you like about her?
Alright, her personality, the way she talk, and she not have I don't see nothing bad about her really. You see me? She look decent. You see me? She not look too friendly, but she decent. Like she can talk to and build a vibe. So you know what I mean, really? Yeah.
So you know, say she not too friendly though.
Cause me see how she walk in and thing, man, and you know. No, right I say no downstairs, so yeah, me that kinda observe, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, my father.
Alright. What you think about what him have to say? Is he right though?
I mean, some points you made correct, but the other points him just have me off board because I don't understand what you said.
Which point then?
But the car thing,
No,
it's not necessarily like that, but yeah.
Alright. You say it's for your convenience because you work at night. Maybe you work at, I don't know, a doctor, call center, I don't know. So you want a late night pickup, you know, in drive. I'm not driving, but in drive dead. I don't know if the taxi man I gonna start looking at them things and say, if it dead.
Oh, so you're insecure.
Oh, you mean?
That's crazy.
Oh, you mean? I'm a little bit jealous. I'm not gonna lie, my friend.
That's crazy.
What you mean that's crazy? It's the world that we're living in, my friend. Isn't it?
But if
So
not,
how you look at a woman ain't insecure?
No, I never say I'm over insecure. I have a little insecure about that. Yeah. Hours a night, my woman and you, my next man in a car. And what if you go hungry now and you want to stop at Burger King and this and that and who knows what can happen.
So you're overthinker.
Well,
I think.
Well, yeah, you know, so you should tell me.
Me?
Oh, you mean?
You're different than I.
No. Same thing that goes through that little mind of yours can go through my mind. But same way, you know the words them insecure. What else?
Alright, but easy. But look, you know, if you not really want to pick up go up on an in drive, you can go rogue auto motive, you see it? And just get a car, you know, a luxury car.
Right, there's someone that's that tell her, say, yo, if she did say, yo, come up with Bill and buy a car together. I say, you know, so that girl that sound promising, but
don't I look promising?
Yeah, you attract the reader, I'm not gonna lie, but boy, the story never end good, you see?
You rate him? How much did I rate him?
Well, based on how you communicate, but I get like a 7.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's fair.
Is he a type though?
No, you're not my type.
Right, that's so. Nothing wrong.
Let's go down the line.
Okay.
My G. You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you kept the balloon. Why?
Alright, me keep the balloon because me dey like her and thing. Me like how she look. She look like me and her would do content together. Yeah, them thing them into.
Content?
Yeah, man, content. Man.
Like TikTok and
Fans. Yeah.
Or like buy
OnlyFans.
Fans, yeah. Go over on my social, Dirty Boy Lee. Click
What
the link
the
in my bio. Subscribe to the OnlyFans. Yeah, get it popping. Yeah.
OnlyFans is crazy work though.
I tap the market out of door, so.
You do OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, say she would have do content.
Perfect. She have the perfect body, man. Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So you have to say about that?
About the OnlyFans part, that's crazy work. Crazy work.
If you can't manage, fine.
Yeah, I can't manage OnlyFans.
Alright.
So I would have popped your balloon for you if that was the case. And you did still have it.
Alright.
Why you pop your balloon, by the way?
Oh, me like her and everything, you know, but her toe throw me off. Me like toe, me into toes, and that throw me off.
Okay.
For more sprinkle look at Hershey's, and you know, me can't go do that now.
No, I don't.
That
You
throw
like
me
to
off.
suck toes?
That throw me off.
You like suck toes?
Huh?
You like to suck toes?
Next question.
No, you say you want to Hershey's on my toes. So that
Yeah,
means you're
yeah,
into them.
and then,
Okay.
yeah, next question.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, sorry, two make you pop the balloon?
Yeah, that throw me off. That throw me off. Wicked. Aki water.
Yeah, like them thing there?
Like what? Sucking?
Like Hershey's and thing.
No, I'm not into that.
Oh, whipped cream.
No, neither.
Oh, okay.
Alright, and how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
What? I give her a 9.
But is she a type though?
Yeah, I'm similar to content with her.
That alone?
Yeah.
Like,
You
yeah.
can hit me up afterwards. You change your mind.
Okay.
Alright. What do you think about him? Based on him?
Absolutely not. That's all I have to say.
His appearance. What do you think about
His
him?
appearance. Oh, I'm not attracted to you. I like your skin color and everything, but yeah, physical attraction.
And you would have done TikTok with him?
TikTok, no man, just say OnlyFans.
Oh, yeah. My bad. My bad.
No.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Come to this side. Whoa. Alright, so the man name without a balloon walk with grace for me, please. What?
OnlyFans is crazy.
Whoa, like, I think you almost had a match though. There's a lot of chemistry in the lineup. I don't know, you're just good with males.
I mean, yeah.
Oh.
Bring the energy there.
Oh, so
I
it's
feel
not chemistry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright. So it wasn't a match today. You know what you have to do?
Walk.
Walk with grace. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. You see it? Big up my big bad sponsor. You see it? Balmoral Beauty Bar. You want the thing them bust down, lace wig, everything them have a all-in-one thing. You see it? Spa, nails. What is that? Pedicure this name? Yo, man, I know. The nails them are pedicure and manicure. You and them. You know, I'm not really used to them thing. Them do everything. And them have Rogue Automotive. If you don't want the luxurious car for drive out, you know you want to go somewhere in a fine dine, you know where to go. You see it? One the first person go over Rogue Automotive JA. Go DM them. I'll give you something. You see it? The first one person. One. Alright then, do it. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Alright, so I'm Chickster. You can follow me on all socials at The Real Chickster with 2 A's.
And what's your name though?
Chickster.
That's your name. Alright, bro. What type of work do you do?
I'm an upcoming artist.
Yes. Sing on them thing there.
Yeah.
Alright. When it comes down to a male though, what's your type though?
Somebody that's understanding, compassionate, hardworking. But as far as it goes, as physical appearance, like somebody with tall.
Like a tall guy.
Yeah.
And what's a red flag when it comes down to a male?
Man, we're easily jealous.
You know, like a jealous man?
No, but sometimes them too much a insecure man.
Or you know, like an insecure man? No. What's a perfect first date for you though?
Something adventurous. When I think like dinner played out right now, so I want to do something where we can get for laugh and talk about back on reach home.
And what's a budget you feel like a man for having in pocket?
How you have, when I think a specific budget supposed to be there.
Like it unlimited?
Not necessarily unlimited, but if you have a specific amount of money, I'm not going to tell you, say, well, at this money need whatever. If you don't have it, I can make you up where you fall short.
Alright then. We got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. Ready? We'll start right here, sir. Yeah? Come over to this side. Your name and why you pop your balloon?
One cutty line on TikTok, one cutty line on Instagram. She look good at everything, but I wonder why her shoes dirty. Yeah, that show me off. Yeah, the shoes too dirty.
So you pop your balloon because
I think she should have put some thought in it, because everything else look like thought going there, but not the shoes.
Alright. And based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
I give her 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
What you like about her?
Yeah. Look good.
Her ear and she look good?
Yeah, she look good, physically.
Alright. What you think about him, based on his appearance?
Like, dressing wise, him can get a 8, but him just too short.
Life.
Him height.
No
Yeah.
love for short guys, you know?
No, love that they just not from me.
Yeah. No love for sure, guys.
Is he a type though?
From
Without the height.
She
He
said
look
probably.
rude.
Imo?
He look rude.
No rude, me just forward, straightforward. If you
Alright.
if you consider that rude, well,
No, I just that image.
nah, rude. But straightforward. Yeah, I mean.
Alright. Go down the line. Right, sir. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Tyrogen on the app, you know. And the reason I'm pop balloon. She look evil rolly.
She look who?
Evil. Like, you know, yeah, them rolly like, it's like, damage no. You know what I mean?
She look evil?
Yeah. Now, if you have a trouble or wrong way, and you asleep, a tile in your ears. Yeah, you see it? You see she laugh? Yeah, a tile. I'm afraid of that. I'm not depend that I'm not tall. She like tall guys.
Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
A 9.5.
What you like about her?
She's cool. And she's an artist. I'm an upcoming artist myself, so.
Only Pakala.
Yeah, you know, connection this so. But she's cool. Nice,
Wait.
pretty girl, you know.
What do you think about him based on his appearance? What you have to say?
Him alright, I just find the hoodie a bit childish. You watch anime?
A bit.
Yeah, it shows.
You find him childish?
No, just like him, the sweater. From a come, it a show me off.
A image woman, you have to go with it. Anything go, you know?
How much did I rate him?
5.
I work with it, good. Good.
Good?
Eh.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Daniel Popshot Gooden. Popshot music on YouTube, Popshot on IG, Popshot music on the TikTok. You see me? Pop my balloon cause she say she named Trickster. I'm also an upcoming artist. She named Trickster, that means that she come in and forgive me Beatrix. Plus she don't like tall guys, which I am about 5'8". I'm not tall, is it? But oh, big up Kai B's Jewelry. Shop number 37 on Hungry Mall, Portmore. Kai B's give me them tough jewelry, you see me? Fresh Bleeds, I'm sure it come from. And Keisha's top image from my shoes. Pop Shot Music.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, she look like somebody who I know. Yeah, Omar them family from Dunipak. Oh. From 1 to 10, you know look bad. You don't know you are. You're not really my type, but I can still give you a 8.
8 out of 10.
Solid 8 out of 10, because you look beautiful. And
Thank you.
I don't know. I don't want to see you out of the eyelash and out. In your skin. In your actual skin, I like natural beauty, but you still put yourself very together.
In her actual skin, she in her skin, bro.
Well, me have a mean by skin like never got too much thing, is it? Yeah. Look good. I want to see her without the falls here and the eyelash. That I mean by actual skin.
Check the medium.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Him can get a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Good?
Good, man. I want to be a 6 year out here, man.
Come on to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Alright, that are too cool across all platforms. Reason pop my balloon because she said she like tall man, isn't it? Not tall. So yeah, that's the reason pop my balloon.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, definitely.
How much did I rate her?
I give her a 10.
What do you think about that?
Him bagger mix. And you bleach, man. I like brown, man.
Understand, yeah, man.
You bleach?
No, well, tone.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
Come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Dandada. You know, she look good and everything, you know. You see it, I just, my dog say, you want, try and look. So you don't know what style we look out for a dog, same way, you know.
Oh, so you step aside?
Yeah. Because you don't know. Because she my type, you know, but I'm a dog. The one have my dog.
Oh, so you just a gear dog?
Yeah. As me tell you, you know, look a breast and cock up. You know?
So you're willing for step put yourself.
Yeah. Believe.
How much did I rate her?
Yeah, everybody, good I get.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Clean.
How much did I rate him?
9.
Good?
Yeah.
On to this side. Alright then. So the man them without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Down to this side. Come down to this side. Give me a pick. Alright, so it's up to you right now. That's why you pop one nail balloon based on appearance. Yeah? Don't move, don't move. Your name?
Casimiro.
And you pop your balloon, why? Why you pop his balloon?
Just not of type physically.
Physically?
Yeah, him
Or like
short.
how him dressed?
No, him short.
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Like I see.
You like her?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Yeah. Come on.
You approach her outside of here?
Definitely.
What you say to her? Like, you feel like you get her number?
No, you have to try. That's it. Yeah.
How much did I rate her?
Like, yeah, 7.5.
Good? Alright, come down to this side. Walk with grace from number G. Alright, so we are narrate that right now. So you're gonna get for ask each of them a question, one question. We're gonna see who you have a chemistry with, alright? Ready? Let's go. Your name?
Yeah, man, 129, isn't it?
His question.
What's your occupation?
Well, the security work and also the farming.
Alright. Your name?
Dirty Boy Lee.
Who?
Dirty Boy Lee. On all platforms.
What's your occupation?
Me artist too.
Oh.
Yeah, DJ.
Yeah.
Let's go. Your name?
Innovation.
His question.
What's your ideal first date?
To the bushes. I'm just saying. Beach, picnic, whatever.
Yeah? This side. Your name?
Shaquille, OG, and all platform.
His question.
Would you be okay with dating an artist?
Depends
And
on how well you can control yourself.
She ever control herself?
She said, well, if I'm okay dating an artist, I'm assuming that's her.
Yeah. But you say
It depends
chef.
on how well she can control herself when the fame get to her. You get me? The artist come with a heavy load, you know. So, if you give me reason to trust you, I'm going to trust you. If not, then you know where you go. But
Alright.
yes, as I said, it depends.
Good? I'm going to this side. Alright, so you're gonna pop one male balloon based on the answer you get, or even chemistry you're not feeling, alright? Don't move. First, why you kept the balloon?
Cause she look decent, man, yeah.
She look decent. Is she a type though?
Not really.
But you keep your balloon, why?
Cause she look decent, yeah.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, yeah.
Why 5?
Cause I will leave that, man.
So what the reason you give her a 5?
Cause she deserve a 5, man. She's a 5, yeah. We'll leave that. We'll leave.
you're nice? Are you nice?
No, 5, yeah, 5.
So if me a 5 hour,
10?
You're very delusional. Literally.
She can't eat then. Can't eat then. Alright?
Yeah, we are talk
That better?
sense, no.
Get? Alright.
Oh, yeah, get the 8 or she.
Yeah, she demand the 8, so me
Me
just
not
get.
demand the 8 is what it is. You
Yeah,
talk like he's a 9 and he's barely a 4.
I'm barely a 2, so yeah.
I'm glad you know.
Yeah.
Oh, so you rate him,
Him can get a 4.
Yeah.
is he a type though?
No.
She like artists, yeah.
And you're an artist, upcoming or new?
Yeah, yeah.
Which one, like upcoming or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming on to this side. Walk with Grace phone number G. Alright, what we're gonna do right now, they're gonna get a chance to ask you a question. And it's gonna be 2 questions, alright?
Alright.
Alright, let's go. My G, what's the question for her?
Any question, right?
Yeah, 2.
Two questions.
Don't ask no foolishness.
What do you mean?
Any question.
Foolishness. So foolish questions and get foolish answers, my friend.
Ask a question.
Hmm?
Ask a question.
Alright. First, no, this is not really a question. Well, I never wanted corn still, but how old are you though?
18.
18, alright. And the next question I'm gonna ask you see yourself as an artist, right? So, and you're 18, so how do you see yourself in like 10 years' time? Where do you see yourself? And what if the artist industry does not work out for you? What is your second like alternative?
My
or
main
plan?
alternative. Okay, so I found an interest in music in about March. So, but before that, my main interest was to be a soldier. Yeah.
Alright.
Good?
Um,
That was 2, my G.
One more.
No, man, that was it. Let's go. Alright, 2 questions for her.
First question, I'm gonna ask her age. I'm gonna go for knife the balloon, but you don't know. I say a thing, go so she 18. Yeah, are you okay with being a side chick?
No.
Never ever.
What the main reason of being a side chick?
I'm saying
No.
none at all.
That's not my role.
Okay, it was just a question still. I don't want it 2 questions.
Come on, come in. Yo. Alright, what's the 2 question for her?
My 2 questions. First question is, how can someone bring across love to you? And what is your opinion on emotional intelligence?
Alright, so to me, love. You know, Papi.
No.
No, I don't know for sure. I don't really. I don't know find it yet. So I don't know. Emotional intelligence. It's just understanding everybody, being open-minded, and yeah.
Good? Alright. Them to this side. I'm gonna ask the man them if the question that you ask and you got an answer, are you satisfied with that answer? You gonna keep your balloon? Yes or no? You keep hearing? Everybody keep them balloon? Good? It's back to you right now, alright?
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do right now, I'm gonna make you pop 1 male balloon, right? Because we know who you are trying to go for. You must know in your mind the chemistry or whatever, right? Yeah. So pop 1 male balloon. Alright, come. Why you kept the balloon all along though?
Me just a supporter in a invasion this in a role as me tell you from them time there. You see it? Mark X round me neck. No 3 years more pass a little remarks. My little friend there will be like half a thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, but your artist, me love her image. And me just say yo, me go support you and thing. You see me? Are the wicked boss this? How your artist name?
Trickster.
Trickster. Mad again. And go and big up yourself and do the right thing and do the music, you know? Mad.
What you mean by your supporter? I don't understand.
Yeah, I just get that energy there from an artist where people know already and them thing there. Them girl are wicked. And I do some song and I put in some work, see me. Yeah, I just make sure no one say the image. I not hear nothing from her, but she have that image, yeah. She just turned 18, so I just get the vibe.
Oh, so basically you know pop her balloon because yeah, support her.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
But she pop your balloon though.
Yeah, she pop my balloon because probably has something what me say, but you don't know we don't come so with no time for feelings and a ray. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro.
Why you pop his balloon?
I'm gonna like browning and you kind of short.
You know, like, bro, you know, kind of shot. I saw them thing they go on.
But in calm.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
9.
9 out of 10?
So, oh, you know, like, bro, you know, kind of shot.
Because overall, just not for me, but overall, yeah.
It confusing you know, my curry brown and chicken, you know.
Based on fair appearance, what you think about her?
I mean, she cool. Me, I say she have the image, you see me. Trickster. When you look on her, you see, say, she love beat up, man, and them thing there. You mean, that girl 8. Mad. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Alright, wasn't that much? What could grace for number G? To the side, eh? You get a chance for ask each of them a question.
What if I not a question?
Just forget for know them. It's just basically for narrow it down to one. Good? Ready?
You have siblings?
No.
You have siblings? How many? Girl? You overprotective over your sister?
Very much so. I'm the only son.
Good? Alright, so we need to pop one male balloon so we can find out who you have a more chemistry with, alright? Just pop one. Why you kept the balloon all along?
Well, basically, me that hear her out, you know, go and engage with her. She sound like she have her head on her body, you know? Right, that's so.
She no sound?
No, I say she sound like she have her thing constructed, you know? Her head on her body, isn't it?
And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Alright, I'm not gonna be biased. She come out, so me give her a 8.5. Right, that's so.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
7 out of 10.
Is he a type though? But him tall.
Yeah.
And you say you know like browning?
Yeah.
Is he a type though?
Maybe I should the ear sharp, man, you know, see what going.
Alright, my G, wasn't that much there? Oh, I could get someone else. Alright then. Come to this side. Alright, so we're down to 1 right now, alright? So now gonna get a chance for ask each other a question to see if it's a match, if there's a chemistry. Alright? Ready, you go.
Ladies first.
You can go on.
Alright. Question I have. Due to the fact that you're an artist, right? Or upcoming artist. How well you think you can flex your time, manage the flex your time for me? Because me require a lot of time, you know. But if you tell me what you do, I understand.
If we were to be in a relationship, you would understand that my music is the most important thing because at the end of the day, I can't always leave. But my music and my career. So whenever I do have the time, I would make the most of it.
Alright, good. Any question for him now?
You do TikTok?
No, not really a social media person still, but I do have TikTok.
You remind me of Leo.
Leo?
Yeah, Pinky little brother.
I don't know who she's talking about.
Pinky little brother?
Yeah, Pinky little brother.
Alright. Any more question for her?
I think I have one.
Just one last, alright?
Question I want to ask, right? Do you value your partner's opinion on certain topic? where it's concerned, like for instance, say you want to go to a party. I'm not a party person. And you're in the limelight life. Me like a house person from time to time. And if I should like say, no baby, we can like ease the road tonight. You know? Stuff like that.
As I said, and as you know, I'm an artist, so parties are mandatory. But if it's not a booking or I'm not getting paid, and you say to me, say, you know, I'm gonna go, me take it into consideration. We'll probably go, or we probably won't go, depending on the circumstances. But your opinion does matter, it's valid.
Good. We're gonna find out if this is a match, alright? Is it a match for you?
Mm-mm.
Is it a match for you?
No.
Popping ballon. First, me have to ask you why it's not a match.
I mainly kept talking to him because he can hold a conversation and he's cool to talk to, but I
Yeah.
don't see myself going on a date or being in a relationship with him.
But him tall.
Mm-hmm.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Yeah. Him personality cool and him not ugly, but
Remind me of Pinky.
pinky little brother.
Brother.
Yeah.
What do you think about her?
I mean, it's her opinion, right? However, if you did came with the intention to find love, you wouldn't make an image of someone else hinder you from finding that person.
That wasn't the main reason. I
But
didn't
you
see my
just
match
said
in
that
the
was
lineup
because
overall.
to each his own. We listen without judge.
Alright. And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I will give her 8.5.
Alright. Bless up here. Big up here, my G. Orchid Grace. So it wasn't that much today. But I figure if I tell every girl though, they're gonna get a voucher from Balmoral Beauty Bar right now, okay? You're gonna get bust down, okay? So walk with Grace for me, please.
Alright.
Yeah. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Alright, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below, please. Like, we are running out of time right now. You see once, but then at Kingston and at 12 o'clock now. You see it on the studio. I just get the text from the man on 100,000. I mean, no nobody now send nothing on my PayPal. Cause last time them send $5 and PayPal take $2.50. Yeah? Give me a hug, me a stress. Trust me, I need it. I feel better. I feel better. Thanks for that. Is it? Wait. Please like it. Now. Thank you. Come to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Shan.
Shan.
Yes.
What type of work do you do, Shan?
Alright, so I do hair, lash, and I'm a bartender.
That's not bad. And what's your type, Shan?
Ambitious, look good, yeah, high self-esteem and all of that good things.
Oh, you say high self-esteem?
Yeah.
What's a red flag when it comes down to a male though?
Lie.
Lie. You know, like a liar?
No.
Small lie?
Small, big, medium, no matter.
Okay. And what's an ideal first date? Where you would like for go for your first date?
Alright, so can keep it simple. It's up to you. Come to know which part. If you like, go out. If you like, crowded place. Yeah.
Oh, it's up to them.
Yeah.
You think I'm on for have a budget or the budget you're thinking for bringing in pocket?
It depends on the type of work we him do. I don't know how much I paycheck, so I can't say,
So you feel like every amount in the paycheck him for bring?
No.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Shout out your social.
Alright, so on TikTok, I want pretty problem, and for Instagram, classic Shan.
Mama know like a pet peeve when it comes on to you like a red flag. You feel like people tell you about that often.
List tongue. Don't remind me some of list tongue. I know.
Alright, you know. Alright, so we got some pops, we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, alright?
Right.
Good? Let's go. Start with right here. Start right here, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, man. Koenga 129. Brother, watch it now. 129, yeah. On platform King underscore number one underscore legend. Isn't it? Both TikTok and Instagram.
Why you pop your balloon?
And the reason why I'm pop my balloon, my friend, she say ambitious, don't feel no way about it, but isn't it? My love, not day in a bar. Is it the bartending thing? Sorry, my friend, but is it? I got a bar too much to know the bar thing, but is it?
Yeah, barfly.
Well, more than a bar fly, you know. A woman a bar fly, me a bar,
Understand.
bar rat, yeah.
So you say your love not in a bar?
No, really, cause I know over foreign this, you know. Yeah, where buy you a drink and all them things. No, me not believe my love this way, is it?
Alright, based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
Well, nah, gonna lie, she look like she spend time with herself, you know. Yeah. Yeah, not bad looking, although it could have, you know, do look more, but yeah. Yeah, 7, my friend, 7.5. Is it? Me not be too biased, but you know, yeah, right.
7.5? What you think about him based on him appearance?
So you coulda do way better. Even little bit, you coulda do better. I'm not gonna lie.
Hold on.
Not of your clothes. You coulda got a barber line up, fresh cut. Yeah. Yeah, no deal.
Oh, him not line up?
No. I'm gonna like skinny one, so all better. You're too. You should have look more body. Not say for fat and you know, look more flesh. So I'm gonna give 4. 4. 4. You're not bad. Can go on.
4 out of 10?
4.
Is he a type though?
No.
Alright, suppose like him approach you out a road, like if he like him would tell you.
Nah, go work.
Alright, yeah.
No, if me say I road still more the trouble here, don't worry upon that, yeah? Yeah, we da walk past each other, but
Alright,
continue still.
Good.
Yeah, right. Listen.
Yeah, let's go down the line. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
You know, I want Tyrogen on the app. And the reason why I'm pop balloon, you told them not proper. Please, do me a big. I really show you a company. Yeah, my shoes, but you told them that not done right. No,
So why am I too about you?
because my woman them foot can't stay so. I want to can't stay so. I'm not depend that.
Alright, good.
None disrespect, but no, the Tony them I show me off big time, please.
Alright.
From up, from this, from your knee or straight down, you can't get a 7, but no, the two of them are throw me off one.
Alright, so when it comes down to a female, what the first thing I look on her? Like when it comes to a female, like what the first thing I see on a female? Yeah. Like where you look.
Tell you the truth, really. Our body, you know, our body have you up. You know what I mean? Like as I say, I told them no standards. Come on, bro.
How much did I rate her?
She can't get a 7 or a 8, you know what I mean? She's sexy. You know, nice little black girl, black queen, you know what I mean? But two of them show me off, 20 of them show me off. I can't deal with that.
What do you think about him? What do you think about his appearance?
I give me uncle.
Uncle?
Yeah. No, this is speaking about. Yeah, give me the uncle vibes there.
How old you is?
Yeah, 19.
Yeah, man. Bigger than you, man. I'm 26-year-old, man.
Yeah.
Oh, so him look like an uncle
Like
to you?
father, brother. Yeah.
So you go, man.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
3.
How much?
3.
3.9, man. A 3.9, man. No, I know I done this, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A fully lamp, you know?
No, you talk about what?
Yeah, so you go. You see me, I show you.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Right here, son. Come right here, son, mama. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Shaquille OG on all platform. I pop my balloon because You look nice.
Because me look nice.
No, but just like give a compliment before me tell you the reason.
Thanks.
You look nice. You look like you're very sassy. You take on anybody. You look spicy.
Looks are deceiving.
Just I say.
Right.
But your dress are the reason I'm popping balloon. Too short. See, if you walk you feel dry. Too short. I feel like say if you come find out if you cover up, I wear something more moderate. You get me? But everybody have them different meaning for love. But my meaning is look more decent. That's just it to me.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her an 8, you know, because she like a natural beauty. Yeah, she look nice.
She's a type though?
Not necessarily. Nothing wrong with her. Nothing wrong with her. She look good at everything, but
What do you think about him of a set and based on him
Right,
appearance?
so him sound cool, calm and collective. But the weight and my type.
Weight?
I want to look more body.
Him?
Yeah.
So you'd consider him be like
No.
him
Him
body
not thick,
weight?
but him not maga. No, but I feel like if like we are talk, but I manipulate you. I control you because you're weird. You just remember have the power there over you. That's alone. Not the you're not ugly. Not the you.
Or based on him size,
Yeah.
you'd just tie with him?
This so. I just not the video because you're weird.
Only you say again? Only say be?
19.
Yeah, she still delusional. You can't control me, man. That naga.
No, but just say, oh, you're looking out like if Mr. Run, you have to run car. If you're not run, a problem. And so,
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
7.
7. Alright, good.
Yeah.
Come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I wicked boss, and nothing wrong with that still, you know, my Jenny, you see me? Just the day I will have meds and just know, say, yo, cho. I kind of a waste of time. Even though me hear one of the fella brother, them say she a give mangoes 5, me I say, no, stop it. You see, I'm not laughing thing, I'm not trying to insult you or nothing, I just facts, you see it? I know me say it, but I'm a narcissist, bro. I'm go manipulate her, I'm go tell her about a lie. Bro, she so young and them thing there. I'm hear she say she no want no liar. So that are the main reason why I'm pop the balloon still, you see me? Yeah. I'm a narcissist. Mega manipulator and bugger thing, you see me? I know I'm not look on her for 2 minutes good, so I don't like say me a judge her or nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah, brother.
Based on her appearance though, how much did I rate her?
Me never look on her good, you really want to look on her. Yeah, to beat fast, I see it. When I get her a 5 still, but she cool. Yeah, she cool.
Alright, so based on him appearance and what you think about him say?
You're liar, me can't. You lie, you say you lie, at least I'll be honest on that, so. Now again. 4. 4.
4 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Is he a type though?
No, I'm lie.
And why you give him a 4 though?
Because
him lie?
Right.
What do you think about his physical appearance?
Can go on.
Can go on.
Not gonna rate it, but you can go on.
Alright, good.
Yeah, I mean, she young too, you know. She have a whole heap of time for develop, you know what I mean? As me I say, I'm not gonna bring her down there that makes you feel no way. My name is she a give mangoes 5s. Me can go around that, you see me? And I mean say it to the rolly dog, but you don't know. Yeah, she cool. You don't know.
Alright, come on to this side. Alright, the man them without a balloon, walk with Grace Phone, please. What you're gonna do right now, I want you to pop one male balloon based on him appearance, alright? Give me a pic. See?
You're too small.
Come. Your name?
Casimir, man.
Why you pop his balloon?
Him small. You
Small.
can look. Him little.
When you say small, what you mean?
Short. Me look taller than you. I have more weight than you.
Yeah.
No.
Small thing carry big package, you know.
Well,
Come in a big package, you know.
me not convinced by you.
Yeah.
Me not convinced. It was tiny.
Tiny.
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
3. Not
Wait.
that you're not ugly, but it's small and it is small.
What do you think about her appearance? How much did I rate her?
Like yourself still. Like her still.
You feel like she's a type though?
Yeah, I'm a type, man. Think, you
Or if I a type though, like, you feel like you could have convinced her for like, make her go back for a balloon?
Yeah.
Do you know?
But
You
still.
drive?
Drive? Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So what way I can tell me to change my mind?
If you don't give me a chance and you'll find out.
No.
Action speed louder than words. So.
You wait now, you wait till I not speak for you.
I can't work out, man.
No.
Alright then, walk with grace from my G. Alright, so down to some meals right now. We're gonna see if we can go through and ask each of them a question. We're gonna see what them answer, yeah? Alright, let's go. Your name?
Cut the line, you know.
What's his question?
Cut the line. Cut the line.
What's his question?
Why you not pop your balloon?
Yeah.
You don't know?
Just I'll try to find out why I never have it yet.
Okay.
You want to pop it?
That's your question. I'm just asking something.
You want to pop it?
If you want.
Yeah, I'm going to pop it.
Wait.
You're undecisive.
Yeah, I'm gonna chase so.
Why you kept the balloon though?
No, she look good, man. Like she look good, so me like
So
keep
why
it for
when I
look.
ask you, you could answer?
Because you give me an option if I want pop it or I don't want
I
pop
ask you
it.
why you not pop your balloon.
Yeah, that is an option. If you don't want pop it.
But you never answer, you say you don't know.
Yes, yes.
But him ask you, you say.
Me say me don't know, okay? Look, me say me don't know, me I go and watch it.
Alright.
Alright, so why you pop your balloon though?
Cause she give me a hope, she give me a, we call it ultimatum, like, yeah, and me I catch her, so.
You the what?
And me I catch her, so.
Yeah, the prize.
Yeah.
What you think about him, officer?
You can go and do, I'm not like.
Yeah, you say you like Manuel. She say she like Manuel, what? We say again, where are we go? When Manuel talk up, we don't say that now.
Talk it in.
I self-esteem.
I self-esteem, really. You get one?
That me say.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
Yep. What do you think about her? How much did I rate her?
Same thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wasn't that much.
You want to make a balloon?
The Bagabalu.
Me ask you.
Me ask you
Are you
first.
pop a balloon never me pop it?
You ask me if I want pop it. Me
I
ask
know.
you if you want me to take Bagabalu. Oh, alright.
And I chemistry. Walk with grace for me.
Second choice.
Walk-
Plan B.
Walk with grace for me. Believe. Alright then. Going on the line still. Your name?
Yeah, Daniel, Pop Shot Gooden. Pop Shot all platform.
His question?
How much?
Now 32. Since June 30 gone. Recently turned 32.
Good. Coming on the line. Your name?
Dada.
His question?
If you see a girl while me attack, you come tell me?
That would rock me. Alright, actually. So if me attack right, you rock me in the first place. So.
Oh, I'm like that. I'm like that.
Alright. Your name?
Lee.
His question?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, man, me have 3 penny.
Bumbo, pop it. 3? That enough, man. 3? 3 different baby mother though. Come really. No, sorry.
Your name?
Yeah, Dada.
His question?
Yeah, how much?
24.
24. Alright.
That's it?
That's your question.
Yeah, that's it. Come this side. Alright. Right to someone here, stand up. Pop. one male balloon. Don't move, don't move. Tell me why you kept a balloon all along.
I want to get our next baby.
You want to give her a next baby?
Yeah, I want to get our baby.
You have a baby already?
You know. Well, more she give me a next baby. That me want.
My baby time, I have also on it.
Is she a type though?
Yeah. Well, from her shoulder to her knee. Yeah, that part there my type, yeah.
From her shoulder to her.
Yeah, from her shoulder to her knee.
So, about one to her
No,
legs.
man, footwork hang off, man. Footwork.
What's the man fit? You're right.
No, man, you two barely are squeezing on that, man. And the two of them want to do again. I tell you about the two of them already.
You
It's up to.
What?
It's up to.
No, next question.
Oh. Before you say you're going to take me and carry me go spy, you're going to tell me something to one do? You have to suck.
Well, you have to have my baby first.
No, uncle. Too much stepmother. Too much pitney. That not work.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, man, me give her shoulder to her knee. I 8, yeah.
And the next part?
Next part, yeah.
So about her face, bro?
Yeah. Straight.
How much did I rate it? 4? 4 out of 10?
Pitney.
You can't get no more?
Too much pitney.
Good?
Yeah.
Come down to this side. Walk with grace from number G. Alright, what we're gonna do right now, then I'm gonna get a chance to ask you a question. Yeah? Ready? Come to this side. What's the question for her?
Alright, Daniel, question for you is, where you see yourself in the next 4 or 5 years?
Own my own business. More than one business. Have one house, car. No baby yet. Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright.
What's the question for her?
Again, that are too cool across all platforms. You get me? Alright, so the question, where you see yourself in the next 10 years?
As I'm tell him,
Same thing?
with one a house,
You mean?
one a land, one a car. Maybe one baby.
Okay,
Yeah.
not bad. Now what you passionate about?
Dance. I can do hair, lash, yeah.
You say you're a bad dancer.
No, I never said that, but I can do my like a thing.
It's a 40. It's
Yeah?
free one.
Your name, Maggie?
Yeah, Danada.
What's her question?
Yeah, am I your type? Am I the man for you? Am I who you're gonna pick?
Definitely not. Pop it.
No problem. Appreciate it.
Come do it.
That's my question.
And why you kept your balloon all along?
No, cause she look good. Is it in real life?
I'm
Cock up as
telling
me
you,
tell you.
me go party with you. Obviously, my dog.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
that is it, man. No bro, but I do bro business.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Girl, what you good at you get? That is it.
Is she a type though, Maggie?
1.
1 is a type?
1.
No,
One up in type.
No,
So you
she,
mean?
no, she keyboard.
Alright. What you think about him, man? Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
As I'm saying, my bro.
No, bro, yes, sir.
No, I'm telling the zone where you
Bro,
stand.
what? I'm a nothing. I'm a nothing.
Right.
You know what me I deal with, you know?
Me and you are rock, so.
Oh, you know what time it is.
What? Alright, come down to the side. My G, walk with grace from please. Yeah. Alright, so I feel like say more narrow down to 1. So what you're gonna do? Pop 1 male balloon that you're not feeling. Stand up. Why you pop his balloon? Eh?
I'm my type of man.
Eh?
And I'm my type of man.
Why?
Too old. Him just not look like my type of man.
But why you not even sound like you know why you type of man?
No, I know, but him is just not my type of man.
Okay. Based on him appearance or
Yeah.
okay. Alright then. And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
6 real, man.
What you think about what she have to say? How much did I rate her?
And don't
Yeah,
lie.
what she have to say that tough, man. Good. Me understand her type. Understandable. Me that give her a 8 out of 10. She not look, let me tell you. The only thing I throw her off are the slippers, and that's a joke thing. That's a simple thing, you know?
I can fix.
We look past them little thing there, you see me, because away up here so me deal it. And our physical attraction and our face, them thing they bring a mood to me still, but you don't know. She ambitious and them thing there. And she kind of sound mature. She just 19, but she kind of sound mature. So me attracted.
So much of that rate her?
We don't get her yet already, man.
Alright, my G. Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace for me now. Alright, come down to this side. Alright, so me see the laughing. Me see the laughing, me see the giggle. No problem, you see? I want to know, I'm gonna ask, right? Is it how much for you, my G?
Well, definitely is.
It's how much for you?
Definitely.
It's how much for you?
Definitely.
Alright, cool. Is it how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you? It's how much for you?
Yeah, really.
We have a match? So we have a match? Yeah! Yo! Alright. Okay. Alright, so first of all, when I have a match and thing, me want to give you a voucher by Balmoral Beauty Bar, okay? You can go to Balmoral Beauty Bar and do your nails, your toe, your ear. They're gonna bust you down, yeah? Yeah? This is for you. More ask you, Maji. Do you want to risk this love match to win some money today?
Well, no.
Eh?
No.
No? What you say?
So,
Alright, so we have a match?
Definitely.
We have a match? Alright, so we have a match! Oh, come now! Yeah! Alright, walk out for me now. Yo, alright, I feel good. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, watch you now. Thank you so much for loving and missing the video. See it? I don't want to promise you know, because St. Elizabeth show off the everything. Because when they did forget 2 videos another week there, you know, but God in there like all the time. You see it? Big up my big bad sponsor. Remember, Rogue Automotive. You see it? Don't forget, luxury car, drive out, peak, BMW, X4, Audi. What them not have, man? When you want to drive luxury, you know what for go, right? Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Wait then. Please like this video. Now. Thank you. Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, you know it's one of your famous. Yeah.
Alright, Ashley, what type of work do you do?
I'm an mortician and I'm our owner.
What kind?
Mortician. I went in the third?
Yeah, say you're working at the mark.
Yeah.
Alright. And what's like your type, like when it comes down to a male?
Well, I do actually have a type, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's from them honest.
Yeah.
And jovial.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Fine. Good. Alright then. What's like a perfect date for you?
Netflix and chill.
Staying home.
Yeah.
And a red flag. What's a red flag when it comes down to a male?
When a man tell a lie.
You know, like a liar.
No, I'm not like a liar.
Alright then. Question though, like when it comes down to like you introducing yourself and what you do, like you feel like that happens a lot when it comes down to a male, like you telling them.
Well, not really, you know.
Yeah.
But most people have a problem with it still.
Alright. But why do they have a problem with you working?
Because they're further dead and see there.
Okay.
Alright. For brave.
Show to the social.
One of your famous for every platform.
Alright, I'm gonna find out why them pop the balloon, alright?
No problem.
Alright, we'll start right here. Come right as well.
Me Freda.
Me afraid for that.
Freda what?
Try Hershey's, him not afraid of none. See man, me bag up his head way.
Alright. Your name? your name why you pop your balloon?
Cut the line and sure come dope if say place, brother. Me never upon that. No, brother. She angle dead, dopey. Me never upon that.
Say, God forbid if something for do you don't know how to take good care of you.
Me know what day when me dead that me not have nothing to do with that. That when me dead. But now when me alive, me know where I do that. No sir.
I have a problem with that because
I can bring dopey at the yard. Dopey go follow. Dopey go see your front fat follow. Dopey go see your thick and follow. Dopey go see she pretty and follow. Me never upon that.
Well, the best then follow me and guide me on the road.
so you believe in that? You believe in that, Duppy?
You believe in that dopey really? You have couple upon the shoe.
Alright, bro. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Man, me not rate nobody when mix with the dead for that. Me not rate nobody when mix with the dead. She good though. Go on.
What you think about him, man? What you think about him have to say?
Well, to me, he's a coward. So I'm not really understand.
Yeah.
You have to talk to a man with brave.
Yeah,
Never do it too soft.
Coward.
If it's too soft, it not go work.
No, me not soft, but me can't fight something when me cannot touch. And yeah, bring that. Me not even that. Me can't fight something when me can't touch. It can't get shot. It can't get chopped. No, sir. You can't box me down door and yeah, bring it come. Me not even that. Keep that.
I must something do I take a box down.
Can you bring it and it say and it come and say have a man and then it talk a box me down.
Why take a box down if you have a man?
Cause
That
it
still
want you.
can't make no sense.
Cause it want you. Instead of trouble
make no
you or
sense.
auntie, we maga aunt me for left you for him.
And that I think no, you still not make no sense out of all of this.
Oh, it couldn't make no sense. You
Cause
go
from
off
a
with your
person
care
dead,
home
from a
dopey.
person dead, them just dead.
So then I speak and I believe in a spirit then and them
I
shit.
believe in a spirit.
That's why you work with them. Me believe.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Believe.
Well, him not look too bad stills.
Thank you.
But I give him a 3 stills.
Yeah, but I thanks them. Get out of here.
I'm just being honest.
That's right. Yeah, but I thanks them really.
Alright then. Alright. Right, yes, sir. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Casimiro, man. No, she just remind me of my cousin still. That's it.
She look like your cousin?
Yeah. One of my cousin, yeah. That's
Oh, your cousin look.
my grass, man.
Oh, your cousin look. Oh, your cousin look.
Same body build and thing. Yeah. Same complexion, same look. Yeah.
So your cousin?
No, my cousin. She just look like my cousin.
Yeah, and that would have wrong.
Yeah.
I said that would have wrong because I look like in cousin then now long run in and over might happen, you know?
Oh, so you would have there with her because she look like her cousin. You would have there with your cousin.
Yeah, remind me of my cousin. See? Yeah.
So cousin and cousin no.
No, the family ramroli.
I just ask. No, them say it.
No, man.
Alright. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 6.
Thanks.
What do you think about him? How much should I rate him?
Well, I give him a 5. Sorry, but
Why you give him a 5 though?
alright. Well, nothing really wrong with this is, but I don't know, but just give him a 5.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Put on the line. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I'm tired Jen pan the app and the reason why I'm back balloon. She work with dead. She work with dopey. Me not deal with that. Me have family in my yard where a good Christian people them when them start chant that I got cause problem and war in my house and my yard. So you know depend that really. No, me not like dopey. Me not like spirit. Yeah.
But you believe some them exist?
Yeah man, of course.
You ever see one before?
No, but believe. I have to. Can people talk to them, get back down, well live around me. So
So that means they believe in a Obeah then?
Of course.
Okay.
Gozo, when they gozo, I feel work. So I believe in it.
You say after work?
After work.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Ungodly then.
10?
How much did I rate her?
I 8 or 9, you know. She's sexy. Beautiful
Thank you.
man. You know? And yeah, 8 or 9.
What do you think about him based on his
I
appearance?
like it sweater though. You look
Thanks.
comfortable.
You can get it if you want.
You look my fashion.
Ah.
The woman I want the one who have them balloon kind of go up and their feelings to me.
I understand. I understand.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Bro, you not have a balloon?
Oh.
Yeah. Your name why you pop your balloon?
Dandada. You know what Tingo. Good evening.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great.
To be honest with you, Browning, you look good and everything.
Thanks.
Yeah, I like how you come out.
Thank you. You know, say I want Ori look still.
No man, you're good man. Come in with judge you man and them thing there, you know. I won't sit around when I see it. Come like Rachel's.
But me like when they be honest to me, so they tell me if something wrong with me.
True. But as me tell you.
Why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, that's not my type. Yes,
Nothing
me,
wrong with that.
you look good. My virgin the same, you know. So sometimes, as I say, me like give me dog them, you know. Cause I know it's not my style.
Oh, so your virgin like her, so you step back?
Yeah. Again, cause you know the dog them must say, yo, bro, we need this thing up.
Oh, so normally you get involved, like get with somebody would have choose you instead of a virgin?
That happen, yeah.
So yeah,
So you give and take. I mean, but she look good still, and that's not my speed. Yeah.
All right. Now going into the whole heap of details, but you're saying that if a next person like a female, you now go for. I mean, you're not a confidence then.
Oh, confidence coming to the
Because
conversation.
suppose me no want your friend and I you me one.
That is the thing. What if me by default don't like the person
It
in the scenario?
no matter if your friend like the person. If you want the person, you go for her.
No, me don't want the person in the scenario.
No, saying I want the person.
Oh,
Saying
if
that
I
you
want,
want the person.
if I want them,
Yes.
it depends on how much more them.
Oh,
but say you want them.
Because I can quantify my feelings.
Alright, say you want them. Like
If I
want
want
them.
like siren that one. But me I say, not really. It's never too much for me to not give somebody, give a brother, you know?
Helping.
You're too kind.
Because I'm doing enough time too. I just code.
You're too kind.
How much did I rate her?
It's generous actually. I rate you. So, get everybody a joke, but you get 9.
9 out of 10. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give him a 7.
7.
Mhm.
Alright, come down to this side. Alright, the man them without a balloon, please. Walk with grace for me, please. Right, it's over there. Alright, so what more you do right now? Yeah? Oh, alright, see, people. The paper link below. And the GoFundMe for England in the description. You see it, and don't forget, we main sponsor. Every information in the description. More you pop 1. Volume out this, please. Boomba, only for edit this. Van, please. Pop 1 male balloon. Based on appearance.
Based on appearance.
Her vibes.
Thank you.
Alright, don't move.
No.
Alright. Your name?
Shaquille.
Why you pop Shaquille balloon?
Him have too much attitude.
But him just owe me mouth.
In face impression.
She very judgmental.
But you are, see that?
No, you are judgmental because the reason why I look a certain way because he might tell lie. Say my left friend, he might leave him friend for woman.
Oh, you never tell him self it.
Tell him nothing like that.
Plus, they look nervous.
It's okay to be nervous. When since it's a crime to be nervous.
It's not a crime, you know, but you're
So,
too nervous.
It's okay to be nervous.
It's okay, but you're too nervous.
I'm okay with that.
Okay then.
Alright. Alright. How much did I rate it from 1 to 10?
I would have give him a 6.
6 out of 10.
Mhm.
Why 6?
Well, I really do like the shirt.
I'm sure like the color.
The whole thing about it.
You know, yeah, like palm tree and thing.
And I really said the palm tree. The palm tree, alright, but the whole design of the shirt and everything, not my thing.
Or like you like it plain.
Really?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
And is he a type though?
No.
No? He's not the type? So if him approach you outside, like, tell her with the words and everything,
Well, mother talk to him, but I'm not gonna directly look him.
give me a number.
No, I'm not give me number.
Alright. My G, what do you think about her based on her appearance?
Alright. Skin complexion, check. She have a nice tattoo. She work, which is most imperative. She's soft spoken.
Very.
Thing is, she kinda give a indecisive vibe.
Like?
You don't know you are.
You know, a relationship.
See, you gap
Hold
out a
on,
whole
in a
second.
relationship.
Overall, if you have to think about it, you're not sure you
No,
are.
I'm not thinking about it. But just prayed. I'm asking a question in a relationship.
A relationship with upon right now. A pot balloon with upon, right? So technically a
Franco,
relationship.
can I ask you a question?
No, Rolly.
Rolly? Sorry, oh my God. Rolly, can I ask you a question? Okay. He said that him don't know if whatever, I can make up my mind or whatever.
Yeah.
It's not all about relationship, you can make up my mind about. It can be other stuff too. So what is it exactly? We know we're on the show about love. You have to be specific, my dear. Are you talking in a relationship?
Alright, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10, Maji?
I always tell people one thing about me.
Mm-hmm.
One thing about me. It's true, me not have much sense now. I feel away if me talk to somebody who not have no sense just as me. I'm an idiot. If you can't make up your mind based on something simple as this is pop the balloon. You come to find love. You have to think about it before you can decide where you really want. You don't know where you want. You have to come with your mind made up.
I realize about your balloon pop.
No, that's okay by me.
Alright. That means to make up my mind.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, come down to the side. My G, it wasn't that much. Orchid Grace Woman, please. Alright. Alright, so what me gonna do right now? Them just gonna ask you a question and
No
we're gonna
problem.
flip it around. Alright? What's the question for her? Your name? State your name first.
My name is Daniel.
Hi, Daniel.
Nice to meet you. My question for you is, how big are you on communication? Or what communication skills will you carry to a relationship? This.
Alright. My work keep me occupied, so mostly I'm a bad communication person.
Understandable.
But if it's a thing
if it's
where
your work all through the day or through the night, wherever, I want to know if you can make time to like.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Come on to the side. State your name. What's our question?
Yeah, Dirty Boy Leap on all platforms. My question. You can run fast?
But the netball, nothing can run.
Oh, so you can run.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Why you ask her my question? That's my question.
Well, I told me a 5 baby mother and 3 pitney, so I want to know if you can run from them when they pull up.
No baby mother drama. That's
I want to know if you can run from them if them pull up on me
you
yard.
say no baby mother
As a
drama.
5 of them.
Me nah know.
Oh, you have 5. True. Oh, you have 5 baby mother and 3 pitney.
Yeah.
It can't make no sense. Probably in lose 2. Probably in lose 2. You have to understand. In lose 2.
No, man, them
in process.
Them active, man.
Oh, yeah.
2 baby mother share 1 pitney and yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, one of them get jacket, man, so yeah.
Okay.
But me can't mother the baby mother drama.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
What I give him a 7, can you honest?
Honest.
Yeah.
Alright, my G, what you think about her based on her appearance?
Yeah, man, she active, man.
Active as in, what you mean?
Cause she can run, she active, man, yeah.
Okay, so she active. And why you kept the balloon?
Yeah, man, come like her style, man.
Her
You
style
think you
like.
could have told me your baby mother?
Hmm?
You think you could have told me your baby mother then?
Yeah, that be number 6.
Really move on.
Yeah, you don't like kids?
It's not say I don't like kids, but I'm not ready as yet. I'm not going to date a man
But
who
on right
have
now, me like
5
you
baby mother.
next week.
No, some dear. I'm sorry.
Summertime, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not no, she said no time now.
No, oh.
Not because of summertime.
Oh, okay.
So not next week, not the Christmas, yeah?
Yeah.
And then next year neither.
Alright.
Yeah. So wasn't that much? Or could Grace Muji?
Next person. God, that was really, really terrible.
Alright, Margie, state your name. Question for her.
I'm Invasion. An artist, dancehall to be exact. My question is, what's your biggest turn off in a male?
When not tell lie.
Wanna tell lie?
Mm-hmm. I want to mean. That's the next thing.
No, no mean.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm none of the above, so I guess. Is that
So
thing,
it's
though?
straightforward.
Yeah, I'm not ever telling a lie. I can't remember the last lie I tell. If me be honest. For
I
real.
believe what me I take your words for you.
Yeah, take it, man. You're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yunches and munches in your neck and all them something there. Baby mother vibe, she give me roll. God know.
She?
Yeah. Baby mother vibe, of course.
Alright.
Nobody feel no way to wife to come. I know you're a primo the baby mother thing, you know.
No, I'm not pray, man. But you hear the part when me say I'm not ready for the kids, right?
Yeah, me hearing you saying already. Anytime I'm ready.
Okay.
Come on to the side. Alright, so I feel like just because I two have, you're gonna ask each of them a question. Let's make it one question so that two of them can answer, yeah? One question for each.
All right. If I wasn't working, and I not do nothing, would you take me up? By the way, if me did tear up and not nothing about me, and you see me on the road, would you look at me?
Good question. I don't know. Me, I know the judgmental type, and if I see the attraction is there for me, I take care of my woman. I feel like, you know, from say my girls, you know, if I have no stress or no, nothing, you know, not. So would they not tear up from say my girl? Believe.
Nah, that's a good answer.
You're very, very cool, easy, and you know, I'm a spirit taker from me forward. And nobody follow them with the ghosting or the dopey thing.
Me nah follow them.
My old lady a prayer warrior. We not watch that. You see me
Thank
that?
you. At least somebody believe in a God.
Yeah. Old lady a prayer warrior, so can cast them thing there. But your energy, like we can go in on the Port Royal just on the beach and go on all our vibes. And the moonlight all a long reason, you know? Yeah, so our energy me really take on to. So me not watch that about tear up. Garments are the least of the problem. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So basically, she'll say, if you see her not looking like this and she just look her worse, dirty and thing, and she not work, if you that still take her up.
Yeah, but I mean, me I forget for like, know her, have a little conversation or whatever. You see me? Because sometimes, you know, you see some female, you know, whatever them have on, that catch you, but you see inside of them, dirty, tear up everything, you see me? Wreck you, so. When I really use them thing there and watch them thing there still, you see me?
Alright.
Alright, so really, I can ask one more question because the two of them answer kind of.
Oh, you're not know, you're not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So I have to ask one next question. Is that okay?
One last question. See the student man there look like him ready for
one last
question.
Alright. Say you meet me, I'm in money problems. Would you help me?
We meet you. We in a relationship we start talk already?
No, they just gonna start talk to me.
Oh, we just gonna start talk to you in a money problem. That tricky still, but depends. Me that help you. If me see say genuinely need that help, they for real. But if me just a meeting, yeah, come, you know?
No, not like that, but.
Oh, from you really genuinely need help?
Yeah.
I will help you.
Okay.
No matter what. As long as you genuinely really need that help.
Yeah?
No. Just a meet you too. I know everybody else do that.
Alright.
This side?
You say if me that genuinely help you? Yeah, me not go around you still. Sell all my cellular and everything there. I joke, but me that give her vibes. Me that give her energy. You see it? I now for be half me want be intimate and nothing like that. I just the vibe, just the energy. You see me? Yeah, probably the soul I have.
Alright.
Alright. So now me, what I want you to do, when you pop one male balloon based on
The answer.
the chemistry, I know we are got. Even if him answer bad, I know how females stay. You can make it slide, so I cannot say based on him answer, yeah?
Okay.
So based on the vibes, who you want to end up with. Alright, who we gonna do?
Can I buy your thing?
Okay. Alright. Why you kept your balloon?
Because we have today in the camera as a superstar. But we have all our vibes still. Man. But she cool still, her energy. Do well easy and calm and I take on to it. For real. You see me? Yeah.
Energy, not how she look?
Not really how she look. I'm not really fancy the high color people am either, but me not judgmental that. And from night, me there and I go and be a thing, so we just kind of keep it for say, yo, you know, make somebody feel good, say the way. Yeah, but she cool.
That is it.
I like her.
Why you pop his balloon?
Alright. You say everything right, but the last question I ask you, the part there tricky. I still not believe. Because you will probably see me at the bankruptcy, yes. But I feel like in the long run you have a problem.
Why?
So
Probably
the feeling after that just
kind of
it's a
trigger you.
no. Yeah, it trigger me. It's
You been
kinda
through
no,
something
no.
like that already?
No, I'm not in a bankruptcy.
Or probably you judge me. You judge me?
No, I don't really say judge you now based off like, oh, you answer me.
But me not look like a cool tear though. Like me that tell you this and then go around you.
Well, no,
Yeah,
no. No, I'm not winning it. I just say no, but I just the way you answer. And that.
Yeah. But you're beautiful still. Just
Thank
go and
you.
keep it up, man. You see me?
And like you know my favorite color still.
Blue and them thing there.
Blue.
Take care of yourself, man.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
What you think about him based on him appearance? How much did I rate him?
I give him the same 7.
7. Yeah.
And that's not half of the appearance, that's half of the whole vibe.
Vibes, everything. Alright, my G, you feel like say she would have popped your balloon though?
If I feel like she'd have pop it?
Yeah, like
No,
were
I
you
think so.
surprised?
I don't feel like she'd have pop it. Because me and her know the energy. You ever, what them call it? Telepathic communication. Go now if you talk, to know what run through each other mind.
Yeah.
But she really know why she pop it. You see me? She probably feel like me, but you know. Now the previous conversation, me I say me a big liar. I know me I tell her, me not tell her, it kind of contradicting, you know. But she can see right through me, you know. And me can see right through her. You know what I mean? So just a mind game where I play, you so roll it. Make
like
sure
a
you go so bam.
Okay, alright. So basically, you never expect her for pop it. So when me want you though, before you walk with Grace, give me the hit single now. Them girl.
502-0296. That are the number where she give me for call and she pop the balloon. Say them girl are wicked, them wicked. Roll it.
So
You do the thing, go. I love her still.
Walk with Grace, Maji.
Bruh.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Just
so
because you
you-
pop theme balloon, the man say you're wicked. Them girl.
Well, yeah, for wicked, you know, you can't always solve.
Alright, so me feel like I don't want to ask no more question. I don't want to ask you a question to ask her a question, or ask you a question to ask him a question. We don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
So more start with over here first. Let us see. Is it how much for you?
Yeah, really, that much for me.
It's how much for you?
Yeah, man, that much.
It's how much for you?
I energy right there.
Alright, cool.
What do I yell for me, sir?
Is it how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
We have a match? We have a match? Yeah! We have a match! Yeah! Alright. On behalf of Balmoral Beauty Bar, they sponsor this video. So, do you want your edges lay right and slay and bust down? Balmoral Beauty Bar. This is for you. They sponsor the video so you can get your edges, your nail, your anything, okay? People, if you don't want the best salon in Kingston, okay? Everybody can go in the description. Every information in there, alright? My G, want to ask you, are you willing to risk this all, the match you have, to get rich right now?
No, Rolly. Love me, say, man, love.
Love yourself.
Love over me.
So, is a match? It's a match?
It's a match, same
Is
way.
a match? So, walk with grace for me now, please! Yo! Wanna get a real? Yeah! Alright, watch it now. I must say thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. Like right about now, I know the studio man I gotta lock off the light power, you see? Because I'll pay for a certain time and we'll go over it. You see me? Big on my team, live boss for the visual. Next week I crank up birthday. I don't know what for game. My talk say more. Yo, big up everybody who I watch. We love you, no joke. I don't want to promise you, no. I don't want to promise you, no. I don't want to promise you, people. But big man thing, I love you, no. When I get a video, when I get a video, because I tell you all, no, I don't know. What we say? St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, we can go back there, so? I don't know, you know. On the rather Black River or Santa Cruz. Which one? You see it? So if possible, link me in on my Instagram if you're serious for go Westmoreland or St. Elizabeth. You see it? God in I like all the time. Chips. This banana chips for you, make you crunchy. GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye. Can them say my team of a boss? Like, comment, subscribe.